find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards, she says, hey man, there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that okay. In this house of cards, with only hearts. Cannot reap what you never did sow. You cannot learn what you never won't know. In this house of cards, with only hearts. In this house of cards, and these lonely hearts. Odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man? How many yesterday are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? Carried it all, coloring miles as go. A line at a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple prose. And I'd find you if I could, invite you to the final act. But I think it's understood, nothing good can come of that. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now?
Sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. The light pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm, take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be, half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what it like that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world and your hands felt warm, take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for a moment. Take me back to the start, before the start.
Foda-se, este carro tem mais massa que metal. Caralho. Foda-se. Foda-se, caralho. Tem mais massa que metal.
And when you go, I will fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards, she says, hey man, there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that old.